Well, today we're honored to have Jeremy Vanschoonhoven here with us, one of the top shooters in the world in the airgun industry. And we're just excited to hear a little bit about his journey and his thoughts on Corbin, as well as just the airgun world. So Jeremy, let's get it started. Tell me about some of the specific features or quality of Corbin's products that you find the most valuable while you're shooting at the highest levels.
I think the thing that really stands out to me is how much you can customize things. So you can tune everything exactly for your gun, for your barrel that you're shooting. So when you're at that top level, every little bit matters. And like I probably made 400 or 500 different types of slugs to shoot through this gun to figure out what it shot best. And you can't do that any other way.
How do Corbin's products contribute to your competitive edge as compared to a casted or a machined slug when you're out there competing?
I think consistency is the main thing. You can just get it down to where like my match ammo is exactly the same weight. We're not even a tenth of a grain off. It's exactly the same. And a lot of the stuff that you go buy, the weight varies so much, and then that changes your velocity, and when you're shooting out pretty far, that makes a big difference. So just having it that much more consistent. And then the other advantage is a lot of ammo gets damaged in shipping. So when I make it, I can carefully package it and take it there and shoot it, and there's no damage to it. So I think that's a big deal.
No, that's great. Having repeatable outcomes is a goal and objective for everyone when they're performing at the highest levels. Jeremy, you're one of the best airgun shooters around. I mean, you compete at the highest levels. You rub shoulders with some of the best shooters in the world as well on a regular basis. What advice would you have to give maybe an enthusiast that wants to get a little better or even enter into the airgun world? What's some things that you've picked up along the way that you'd like to share?
I mean, the first advice that I would say is get good equipment that shoots consistently, have a really good gun, and then having the Corbin ammo just makes a huge difference because it's so consistent. Then you know when it's you or if it's the elements or what's going on. Otherwise, if you don't have good equipment, you don't have good ammo, you don't have good slugs, you don't know if it's you're screwing up or if it's your gun or your ammo or what's going on. So making improvements from that is really difficult. I see so many people who have a gun that's shooting poor ammo, shooting big, huge groups, and they're thinking it's them. And they have no idea that it's not, it's the equipment they're using. And that's the one huge advantage with me shooting the Corbin slugs is I know if I made a mistake or not, and I can improve from that. I know I made a bad wind call or I wasn't stable. There's all kinds of variables that I know. And before I was shooting the Corbin slugs in this gun, it wasn't consistent enough and I couldn't tell, is this me or not? I actually went and grabbed a different gun and shot it because I was like, am I shooting that bad? And I shot a one-hole group, and then I went back to this, then we changed slugs, now it's a one-hole group, now I can work on my skill.
Jeremy, in your opinion, what sets Corbin apart from other companies in this industry when it comes to catering to the needs of the highest level shooters like yourself?
I think that they just have a lot more experience. I mean, Corbin's been doing this forever, and they can modify things quickly, and just the quality is amazing. I mean, you can't just go out and hire guys to do this. Like, they have years and years and years of experience just making amazing products. So I think that there's a big advantage there with all the knowledge. So you're not just getting a die, it comes with all the experience, and that makes a difference.
Yeah, decades of research and develop into every single die or punch that is produced.
Yeah, exactly. And the people who are making these are super skilled. I mean, you can't just throw it on a machine and knock it out. It takes a lot of care to machine these stuff the way it is. I used to work at a machine shop, so I understand how much precision it takes. If you're a new shooter and you're just trying to, get a little more accuracy, really step up your game, or you're an experienced pro, I really would recommend that you get the Corbin products, start making your own slugs, and really see the difference.
If you like this video and you want to see more, leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave us a comment below. Thanks.